Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. Service is the soul of hospitality, and in this course you will discover how hotels design, manage, and deliver service excellence. Together we will explore how strategy, people, and innovation blend to create unforgettable guest experiences. Understanding service fundamentals. In this part, we will look at the evolution of service in the hospitality industry. You will learn how to identify guest needs and expectations in different service markets. We also explore how product service systems are designed to create seamless experiences for every guest. Service Management Essentials. Here we will examine the key elements of service management. You will understand the difference between core and supplementary services. We will also tackle the challenges of intangibility, variability, inseparability, and perishability, and see strategies to overcome them. Navigating service challenges. This section focuses on the uniqueness of service in hospitality. We will discuss consumer behavior in the service flow and how customer participation shapes their experiences. You will see how co-creation plays a vital role in enhancing service delivery. Effective service positioning. Positioning is everything in hospitality services. You will learn how to identify important versus determinant attributes and use them to stand out. We will also discuss brand creation, positioning maps, and how to balance demand and capacity when designing services. Service logistics and new media. In this part, we focus on service logistics and the role of delivery channels. We will explore the rise of e-services, how to manage service failures, and strategies for recovery. You will also discover how new media is transforming modern hospitality service. Pricing strategies in service. This section introduces the fundamentals of pricing in hospitality services. We will discuss revenue management, dynamic pricing, and how hotels set rates that balance value for guests and profitability for the business. Enhancing service productivity. Here you will learn practical techniques to improve service productivity. We explore relationship-focused service excellence and how building strong guest relationships drives success. You will also see how customers can act as co-creators in service delivery. Service entrepreneurship and leadership. This part is about leadership and entrepreneurship in the service sector. We will study successful service business models, the impact of globalization on hospitality, and strategies to become a strong service leader. Take the next step. Now it is your turn to step into service leadership. Be the professional every hotel needs and transform service delivery with confidence. Register now on our LMS portal at hegsdc.com and begin your journey in mastering hospitality service management.